Shrimp quesadillas are a delicious and easy to make dish that can be enjoyed for any meal of the day. Here's a simple recipe to make shrimp quesadillas at home. Ingredients: 8 to 10 large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Half red onion, diced. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 1 green bell pepper, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Salt and pepper, to taste. 4 large flour tortillas. 1 cup shredded cheese, Mexican blend or cheddar. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Salsa, sour cream, and guacamole for serving. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the diced red onion, red and green bell peppers, and minced garlic. Cook until the vegetables are softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the peeled and deveined shrimp to the skillet. Sprinkle the ground cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper over the shrimp and vegetables. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the shrimp are pink and cooked through. Remove the skillet from heat and set aside. Heat a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Place a tortilla in the skillet and sprinkle 1/4 cup of shredded cheese on 1/2 of the tortilla. Add 1/4 of the shrimp and vegetable mixture on top of the cheese. Sprinkle some chopped fresh cilantro on top of the shrimp mixture. Fold the tortilla in half to cover the shrimp mixture and cheese. Cook the quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is golden brown and crispy. Repeat the process with the remaining tortillas and shrimp mixture. Cut each quesadilla into wedges and serve with salsa, sour cream, and guacamole on the side. Enjoy your delicious and flavorful shrimp quesadillas.